Find the coordinates of the stationary points on the curve y is x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10 and identify their nature. So we have dy dx is equal to 3x squared minus 8x minus 7. And for turning points, we need that to be equal to 0. Now, it doesn't take long to see that we have no easy factorization of the quadratic. And so I'm going to use the quadratic formula. Of course, I can use solve on the calculator. Well, I've got negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. And for this one here, we can see that a is 3, b is negative 8, c is negative 7. So x is going to be 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared take away 4 times 3 times negative 7 all over 2 times 3. Okay, so first thing I normally do is the bit under the square root. So 8 squared take away 4 times 3 times negative 7 is 148. So I've got 8 plus or minus the square root of 148 over 6. So I've got 8 plus the square root of 148 divided by 6. So that's at 3.36. And then just go back and edit that to a minus. And we get negative 0.69. So 2 decimal places. Now the question does say coordinates, and so these values need to be substituted back into the original equation. I've already done that, so I'm going to say that we have 3.36 and negative 20.75, and we've got the negative 0.69, and that is at 12.60. Okay, let's just make a bit of space over here. And let's do the second derivative and do the testing. So, d2y dx squared is going to be 6x minus 8. d2y dx squared, given that x is negative 0.69, well, it's going to be negative, isn't it? Because that's going to be negative when we substitute into it. And negative implies a maximum. So we've got a maximum at negative 0.69, 12.60. And d2y dx squared, given that x is 3.36. So what's that going to be? Well, 3.36 is going to be more than 18 when we substitute into there, take away 8, so it's going to be positive. You don't actually need to know the values, notice. Just need to know the sign. And that means that that would be a minimum at 3.36, negative 20.75. Now, I do actually have this on the graphic calculator just here, and that is that function. And if I do analysis, gsolve and max, you can see it goes and finds the negative 0.69, 12.597 and so on. If I do analysis, gsolve and min, it finds the other one.